Hi, I'm James Osborne from the International Door Association and GarageDoorCare.com. Here, let's talk a little bit to David about garage door safety with children.
Hi, my name is David. D is for doors. Doors are heavy. Never run or play near a moving garage door. O is for openers. Openers can be dangerous. Never touch an opener. O is for out. Never touch a moving garage door. Your fingers and hands might get hurt. R is for remote. Remotes are for adults. Never touch a remote.
Please talk to your child about garage door safety today. To learn more about garage door safety and maintenance, please visit us at GarageDoorCare.com. Simply input your zip code and contact a local representative in your area.